I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Xrecorder and granting microphone access. This lets the app capture audio. Next, plug in or select your mic so input is clear, because phone mics pick up more room noise. Once done, go to Settings and set the recording format and sample rate, 44. 1K Hz is standard for voice. Make sure to enable any record internal audio option only if you need system sounds, since that changes input routing and can add unexpected noise. Now you'll configure levels. Speak at your intended volume and watch the meter. Dial gain down if it hits red to prevent clipping. Then record a short 10 to 15 second test clip and listen back with headphones so you catch hiss, pops, or imbalance. If it's too quiet, move the mic closer or raise gain slightly. If it's distorted, reduce gain or change microphone pattern. Finally, enable noise suppression sparingly, because aggressive filters can dull your voice. When you're ready, press record and keep an eye on the levels as you perform. Use pause between takes to keep one file. After finishing, stop and save or export the file as WAV for best quality or MP3 for smaller size, and name it with date and brief description for easy retrieval. If you get silence, make sure Xrecorder has microphone permission, the correct input device is selected, and the app isn't muted by system settings. Restart the app or phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.